Hey everybody, Dimitris Kiortsis here. Today's lesson is very important because we talk about rhythm and about how you create rhythmic patterns with your strumming hand. First thing you do is that you lock into a steady beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, which you express by tapping your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can express it with your head if you are a headbanger. And the strumming hand follows exactly the same motion. Down, up, down, up, down, as you count 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down. And that's the simplest rhythmic pattern we can have. So it goes. Now, to create more interesting rhythmic patterns, what we do is that even though the hand is constantly going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, sometimes it avoids hitting the strings. It skips the strings. So for example, let's play the same thing as before, the same pattern. But this time, skip the strings on the end after the 1, as we count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. We skip the end of the 1 or the first upbeat. So in slow motion, this would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and focus on the right hand. Don't even do any chord changes. Just hold any chord here and work on the right hand. So this pattern now is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's like that. Now, let's also skip the 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and if you take it up to speed, we have the rhythmic pattern of ocean, of our song. Take some time to practice this pattern exactly as I show it to you while tapping your foot or counting with your head or whatever. But you do need to express the rhythm with some part of your body while playing this rhythmic pattern. And you go really slowly and you don't change chords, you focus on the right hand. So I'll do it once again really slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 finally, eventually, when you have it up to speed, this is how it sounds. I suggest you stick to this rhythmic pattern exactly as I showed it to you until you absorb it, until you have it. After that, you can experiment as much as you like by creating your own patterns. And the final thing, the strumming hand should be relaxed. The motion comes from the wrist mainly and from a rotation of the forearm as opposed to a rigid forearm like that. So this is how it should look like, more or less, as opposed to this, which sounds horrible. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep practicing, and next week we are back on electric guitar.